Hey everybody, Steve Burns here from Chromolution.com. A nice little tip for you is how to rotate your guides while you're working on your photograph, okay? Alright, so we're in Photoshop. We have a picture of my Yosemite Valley shot, which I photographed during my Yosemite Masterclass. And I noticed that the horizontal edge of the water just seems a little bit crooked. So I want to manually apply it. So I want to make sure my rulers are turned on, and I'm going to hit the Command or Control R. If you don't have it turned on, that's your toggle for turning off your rulers. So let's place a guide right in here. We're going to manually do this as I just mentioned. So I'm going to place my cursor right on the horizontal rulers, click in the middle, drag it down, place a guide right down here. Now my guide is red. This is in your preferences box. You can change that. So I'm going to rotate this. Now my first layer here is a smart object. I always like to alter things to smart objects, so I'm working in a non-destructive mode. Command or Control T for free transform. Now if I want to place this guide somewhere else in the document, I need to turn on the command or hold down the Command or Control key, and that'll give me the double arrow, and I can place this anywhere in the document. So I'm going to leave it right about here. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this just a little bit so we can align that edge a lot better. Now, just to make sure that the vertical edge of my mountain is exactly the way that I want it, I can rotate this guide. So now keep in mind, wherever you place your cursor is the location where you're going to rotate. So hold down the Command or Control or the Alt and Option key together. With them together, wherever I place this cursor is where the guide will rotate. So if I click it, left click and release, there it is. Okay, so now it gives me a quick little view of the vertical edge of the mountain, which looks pretty good so far. So remember, wherever I place my cursor and release, holding down Command or Control, Alt or Option key held down together, will rotate this from wherever that will use your, I should say this way, that it will use your cursor as the rotational point. Okay, all right there. Okay, so hopefully that's going to help you in your workflow. That's it for today. More to come. Steve Burns from Chromolution.com signing off.